If you have clicked on this video thinking that this video is a clickbait, you are wrong. Because here is an example of running Claude Code on my local system. So this system that is running on your local machine, which is on your computer, is completely free. That means the AI model is completely free, Claude Code is completely free, and there is no internet needed. So the best pros of this is that nobody sees this but you. You are the owner of the machine. That means nothing goes out of your hands until and unless you get your PC hacked. That is different part, right? Don't get your PC hacked. Anyways, so basically this works fully offline. That is what I wanted to share. Completely free, fully offline, locally on your machine, and you can travel with it anywhere without needing an internet connection. So now let's quit the app and start downloading Ollama. So now in order to download this, there's a link in the description that you can go to, and after going to that link, just click on download for Windows. It's as simple as that. So yeah, it's about 1.3 GB. It would take a few minutes. There are a few technical things that you need to understand, and as I said, this would help you for the rest of this agentic journey that you're going to run for. Number one is your hardware. Your hardware needs to be strong. So running these AI models does not cost you a single penny, which is absolutely true. But there is always a but. It requires your system to work for it. That means you need to have a system that can run AI models. You need to select something I call a fighter. To understand which fighter would suit the best for you, I will share in terms of parameters. Gemma 4e 4 billion parameter model, which could work on a pretty good mobile phone and a weak laptop. Okay, and Gemma 4 12 billion parameter model, which could run on a decent machine, something like my machine. Here are the specs of my machine. Again, one more is Gemma 4 27 billion parameter model, which is very heavy. It could run on my system, but it would drain everything out of it. So I would personally choose in between. Yes, the result fluctuates a bit, but in the end, your system stays safe. So you need to choose a model that would work on your computer. Don't go and download a 31 billion parameter model. Your PC might just blow up. If you still do not understand what AI model is best for you, I will attach the link of this website in the description, and or all the sites that I've visited would be in the description. So go on this website and here mention your GPU, which in my case is a 5070 Ti 16 GB VRAM. I will click on this, and after that is done, you can see in Gemma 4, I can use these following models. And as you can see, my system cannot run a 31 billion parameter model because it is above the VRAM capacity. As you can see, it's 17.4. Now let's go and install Claude Code after you have understood which one is best for you. So in order to install this, you need to follow the following steps. So first, copy this link, then go on to PowerShell and then run it as administrator. After it starts, just paste the following code and just hit enter and let it download. So if something related to Git Bash comes on your PowerShell, then you just need to go and visit this website, which is also linked in the description, and just go and install Git for your system. So Claude Code has officially been installed on my PC. Now in order to check, I would go Claude -help. So it says it's not recognized because we need to first restart the PowerShell. But before that, we need to do one more step, which is you need to go into the following file location. First, you need to open your Files app, then go to this PC, then go to your local disk C, then go to users, and after going to users, go to admin, and then admin, go to .local folder. After going to .local, go to bin, and here it is, claude.exe, as you can see. After you find this file location, just copy this. After copying the location, you need to open edit and environment variables, and then go to system variables, which is this one. Don't go here on admin, just go to system variables, and then search for path environment variable, and then click on edit, and then after that you just need to paste here. Okay, after pasting your location here, just click OK. After doing all of the steps, you can close your PowerShell. After doing that, go again on PowerShell. This time you don't need to run it as administrator. After visiting your PowerShell, just try Claude, and as you can see, Claude has officially installed on your system and it is responding to it properly. You don't need to click on any of these because all of these would ask for a paid API key. So instead of that, just click Ctrl C. Once this is done, just close your terminal. Okay, now comes the fun part, actually running it. So for that, you need to install VS Code if you haven't already installed it. Just download the software for your operating system. So once you have started the app, you will see this welcome screen. After opening this welcome screen, go on to open folder and then just create a folder or select a folder that you want it to run on. I would just create a new folder. Okay, so I've created the folder which is named test Claude. Then go on to the extensions tab and search for Claude Code. You have to download the first one, which I have already installed. It is here, as you can see. So you need to download the first one, which is the official one from anthropic.com. Don't download from any other studios, which is Claude Code YOLO or something like Claude Flow. We don't want this. We want it from the official anthropic.com. After you are here, click on Run Claude in Terminal. By the way, you can also run this on your normal terminal, but I'm using VS Code because it has a much better UI and it is basically easy to use for me, but you can choose for yourself. Now to check if Ollama is alive, just type Ollama on your terminal. It will show that it is alive. Now let's stop it. And after that, let's just install one of our models that we want to install. In order to install that model, there is one command that we have to run. But before that, I've already mentioned that you need to select a model that could run easily on your system. So now let's select a model for me. As you can see, there are a few models listed here. But also a few models are missing, which are a 12 billion parameter model. I personally believe I saw. So let's go onto the official website of Ollama and check if that model is available there. As you can see, there is a 12 billion parameter model available right here. I'll just copy the name of my preferred model. So I will go on here, Ollama pull, I'll paste this model. And after pasting that model here, it would start downloading that model, which is about 7.4 GB. So I will join you after it's downloaded. The installation is completed. I will just click Command C to end this and I will check Ollama list and it would show me that I have installed a Gemma 4 12 billion parameter model, and now we can run Claude Code completely free on VS Code. You need to do one last thing, which is this. You need to copy this and then just go onto your VS Code, paste it here and switch it for your model, which in our case is Gemma 4 12 billion parameter model. And then I will hit enter. After clicking on that, you will go on to the same setup thing. Just click on whatever your preferences. I will go with dark mode and it is ready, guys. As you can see, it is showing a security notes. That means we can continue and we can run Claude Code for free. The video is ended. Bye. Just kidding. I will show you that it actually works. Now let's skip this and click on enter. And then you have to click yes, I trust this folder. Okay, it seems that we have ran into an issue, but no problem. We can solve it by following these simple steps. So the solution was super easy. So the solution is just you have to create a new file here and just name it model file. Once you name it model file, you have to paste this exact command here, which is from and the name of your model, in my case, which is Gemma 4 12 billion, and then go to type parameter num underscore ctx 65536, and after doing that, just hit Ctrl S and it would save those changes. And in your terminal, first you should copy the name of your AI model. And after copying the name of your model, just do Ollama create Gemma 4 12 billion hyphen 65k and then do space hyphen f, and after doing that, name this model file. In this particular file, it's named model file. So I will do that, model. Also remember, it is case sensitive, so do modlfile. Once you do that, just hit enter. If you have done it properly, it will show you something like success. And then just the final command that would start our model is Ollama launch Claude hyphen model, and then the name of your model which you just created. This was the name of the model. I will just copy it and I will paste it down here. Once you paste it, hit enter and Claude would launch properly. Now this time, if we try to say hi to the model, let's see if it responds. As you can see, it has responded. Hello, how can I help you today? By the way, you should try multiple models and see which model works best for you. Few models are good at coding and few are not. So you need to find the model that works just the best for you. For one more thing that we can try is building Minecraft. So like we can run it on web and let's see how the result looks like. As you can see, it has created one HTML file and let's see if it's working or not. There you go. There you have a little Minecraft mockup that you can use, and it even moves. That's pretty cool. It would have made even better output if we had given it a better prompt and a little bit of time to build something like this. So there's another problem, that is that people who do not have laptops or computers with good specifications, what should they do? So I have a solution for you guys. In order to fix that, you can use cloud APIs, which are free from open source models. And how you can do this, you can watch this video and you will have all the information that you need to start using Claude for free API from open source models. And I will see you guys in the next video.